Hello students, welcome back to English Step by Step. In today's lesson, we're focusing on a crucial skill for your IGCSE exams, paraphrasing. Let's dive in. What is paraphrasing? Paraphrasing means expressing the same idea as the original text but using different words and structures. Importantly, the meaning stays the same. Original, the cat sat on the mat. Paraphrase, the mat was occupied by the cat. It's not about copying, it's about rephrasing and rethinking the sentence. Why is paraphrasing important? 1. Avoid plagiarism. In exams and academic work, paraphrasing shows you've understood the text. 2. Answer questions effectively. It helps you provide answers in your own words, as required in the reading paper. 3. Improve writing skills. Using varied expressions enriches your writing. Steps to paraphrase. Follow these steps to paraphrase effectively. 1. Understand the original text. Read the sentence or passage carefully to grasp the meaning. 2. Identify key ideas. Highlight the main points you need to retain. 3. Use synonyms. Replace words with their synonyms where appropriate. Example: happy, joyful. Important, crucial. 4. Change sentence structure. Use different grammar or rearrange the sentence. Example: he loves swimming. Swimming is something he loves. Number 5. Compare and revise. Check your version against the original to ensure the meaning remains the same. Examples of paraphrasing. Let's practice with some examples. 1. Original. Climate change is a significant global issue. Paraphrase. The world faces a major problem in the form of climate change. 2. Original. The boy was thrilled to receive the gift. Paraphrase. The gift brought great excitement to the boy. 3. Original. Many students find mathematics challenging. Paraphrase. Mathematics is considered difficult by many students. 4. Original. Pollution has a harmful impact on marine life. Paraphrase. Marine life suffers due to the detrimental effects of pollution. 5. Original. Exercising daily can improve your overall health. Paraphrase. Your general well-being can benefit from regular physical activity. 6. Original. Technology has revolutionized the way people communicate. Paraphrase. The methods of communication have been transformed by advancements in technology. Notice how in each example, the main idea remains unchanged, but the wording and structure are different. This is the key to effective paraphrasing. Now it's your turn. Paraphrase the following sentences. 1. Technology has transformed how people communicate. 2. Reading books improves vocabulary and critical thinking skills. 3. Exercising regularly contributes to better mental health. 4. Global warming leads to rising sea levels. 5. Education plays a vital role in shaping a person's future. 'Pause the video, try these on your own, and share your answers in the comments. Remember, paraphrasing takes practice, so keep working on it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more IGCSE English tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.